Daig ka, daig.
Basta ako sa kapatid na ilaw na.
Indot day lang bagawan. Alam mo na.
Kami kaya pag-picture na natin sa... Ano to? Ay, kanina yung lagi yan. Nanin to? Ako dito. Pila na may post ng tao ilay nila. Nang pila na post ng ilay nila. Matag ba siya kung malaw sa
Maka-fresh nga hangin. Ang fresh sa hangin. This is fun. Ay, taas lagi na dito na.
Oh, lakaw-lakaw na dira.
Picture.
Init din siya kayo.
Mami, lakaw tadi.
Ya, usah naman na diya.
Na.
Basta maya na.
May sama na dito.
Di ba labagan na ganyan kini pasudlan.
Basta maya na dito. Dito.
Picture.
Sulat ipangga. Sutro gay kumat.
Guys, welcome to Bindoy.
Ada si Ma'am.
Si Ma'am din eh.
Sila mo.
Susuran tayo mo.
Vlog sila ning DJ lang.
Musulo tayo abot dito. Pa? Dili layo man. So from here, it's there. How did they make the bridge? Up to there? DJ Island Bindoy. So this is the view, guys, with the mountain here. So the water is clear. It's nice. And our Clifford is there. Kuasa, hilak siya sa. So guys, this is the view of DJ Island. So it's really nice here. Tabi, buyag. Really nice. Si Sammy giosig sa ero si Sammy. So if you want to live here, you can have what you call that. So there's what you call that, walking board, like what the walking board, boulevard, but it's really high, really long walk. But I like to walk here to experience. This entrance here in GG Island is 25 pesos. So for 25 pesos, guys, is good. You can see the view of the sea. You can see the mountain view. Yes, everything, guys, is good. So God is good for everything that she done to us before she's leaving in the world. She left us a good place to stay, to enjoy, so we're lucky. So we are thankful for everything that God's give us. No matter what happened to our life, guys, if we have a problem, we're still lucky because Lord is watching us, no one else. If you have a problem, just open your heart to Jesus and ask everything. Open up what is your problem, so you will be feeling good. And yeah, so I will show you the beautiful view overlooking. So I love it. Thank you so much, Manang, for bringing me here. So if you go swimming, guys, it's really far away to walk here from there, but trying hard to come here to explore. I love it so much, and I will make another video, to short video. So that is what you call that, boulevard walkway, like that. That is not yet finished. Yes, not yet finished, but soon it's finished, guys. It will be amazing for the people of Bindoy, because you can experience the nice walk beside the sea and the mangrove. This is the God gift to us, guys, that we need to appreciate, that we are lucky that we're still alive to experience what we have now. So this is my sharing to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. So stay safe wherever you are and take care.